What the fuck? It's 9 in the morning. Like, if you can't find a better time than 9 in the morning to be... like, leaf blowing and mowing the lawn or whatever, then maybe just don't do it. Because guess what? Those leaves aren't bothering anybody. But you know what is bothering anybody? You making all that noise. You're bothering the entire fucking courtyard. I think I made it clear that I'm like sleep princess over here. I fucking hate when people ruin that. This is the life I live. I'm literally stepping in bird shit right now. It's so... Ew. Every time I don't look down, I like step in, so gotta focus. I wanna see if I can catch the tickets falling. Do you see it? There's a ticket falling. Oh, lots of tickets falling.
Too bad that's not cash.
Yeah, really, they should just drop them like cash.
$1 bill every now and then.
Attach a $1 bill to each ticket, and then people will want it. No one's going to their Ari Spears comedy series thing, so they're just throwing tickets away at people.
See, if they were like real tickets for something.
It's like Rain. They're making it rain tickets.
Like someone that people knew the name of. Like I don't know who's going.
I don't either. It's like someone from Mad TV.
Oh yeah, he was on Mad TV. I remember that. I don't remember.
I'd rather see like
He's
anyone
like not
from The
relevant.
Office, like who has been the last
BJ Novak
and Craig
Yeah.
Robinson.
Yeah.
If Rainn Wilson's actually, he's not like a comedian, he's like an activist. It's really interesting.
really?
He has like Soul Pancake is like some like YouTube channel that he does.
See, that's cool though.
Woo. Okay, so lunch with Tiff and John, obviously. Yeah, that lasted like almost 2.5 hours, jeez. But I started at like 1 when I got out of class. That'll be interesting. So, I don't know what I'm even talking about, I'm just kind of saying words. I don't even have anything to say. I gotta finish my psych paper though. So, because I'm going to dinner with Jessica at 5-ish, and then after that, I probably won't want to do any more work. So I will do that now. It's so close. It needs to be 4 pages. I'm on page 3. I prefer to write them single spaced because then I'm always surprised by how far I actually am. So basically, I just need to fill in that part with words. And then I'm done. But I can't think of anything to write. I don't know what to do. Because it's divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is just kind of describing what happens, like what disorder she has, the character has, whatever. And then the second part is like how we would treat it. So I guess I could kind of like add stuff to, because that's the character part, so I could probably just add to it. And then, God. Ugh. And is that a smiley face? I just noticed that literally right now, and I feel like that's a smiley face someone drew, and I don't draw in the dust, so someone's been in my room. But yeah, I think that's everything. Not hungry, but I think I'm getting dinner with Jessica in like 10 or 15 minutes, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah. just got back from dinner, so it's about 2 hours. Jessica's transferring to like Binghamton, I think, at the end of the semester, so I will pretty much never see her again. And I didn't film anything. I'm a dick. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yeah, so we went to C3. Also, first time I've ever been there. It's the new dining hall in Red Jacket. It's fucking awesome. It's huge. I did like, because they had the old dining hall, and it seemed like, you know, it's like, okay, yeah, whatever. And then they like built this like little extra part, and I was like, okay, it doesn't look that much bigger, but like, oh my god, like the way it's organized or whatever, it's gigantic. So fucking nice. I just didn't film anything there because there's so many people that it was like, it'd be weird to like just walk around with my camera out. But yeah, I didn't film anything. I got dinner with Jessica and Dylan, and Jessica then had to go to class, and then now and then she goes home like next Friday. So like I might get lunch with her one more time, and like otherwise I will probably never see her again. Like that's, oh my god, that's the end of an era. She was a big deal last year and this year. Wow, that's weird. I'm debating, because here's the thing. It says here that this needs to be entire paper should be a minimum of 4 pages and a maximum of 6, with the treatment plan being 1.5 pages. This is, you know, all of that. It goes down to here on page 3. Do you think that's good, close enough to 4? And then we got citations. Like, is that close enough, or should I add like, I feel like if I did like 3 more sentences, but I can't think of anything else to add. And this is the treatment plan. It starts right here, and so it's clearly more than 1.5 pages, so I think that's okay. But I can't add anything to the case vignette because I'm like out of like, because if I'm gonna do it, you have to add, you know, information about the character, and it's like I don't have any more information to add. Like I already put all the symptoms and stuff of PTSD in the thing, so I'm stuck. That's the face I want to make. Just, so I don't know what to do. I guess I will force it. I'll make it happen. I feel like literally like 3 more sentences, but I just can't think of 3 more sentences to add to this, where it's not going to start to look like, okay, you're clearly just making shit up to fill space, which is what most of this is at this point. But whatever. I'm just gonna deal. I'll just do it. Okay, biting the bullet. Bow. iTunes 11, here I come. Oh, I gave up on the whole thing. I'm just gonna assume that the paper's close enough to 4 pages. Hopefully they won't call me out on it. Also, I need to go to campus because I'm filming for Zeal stuff again. Ugh. Not like a secret scene or anything, it's just audition stuff, so hopefully it'll go pretty quick. And then what? I don't know. Then I'm free tomorrow night. I gotta close the alley, then I have to work all day Saturday. Fuck. Then, Saturday night party. Sunday I gotta do my lab for bio. Monday the lab is due. I have night class. Tuesday I have a meeting for stuff. I have 2 meetings. One for UBTD, one for other stuff. And internship 3 meetings. Woo! All the meetings. So that's pretty cool. I mean, lots of shit's coming together now. Yeah. Ooh, I agree. Okay. Where are we at, iTunes? Open, damn you. Ooh, wow. What's going on? What's happening? Why is this not filling the screen? Fill the screen, damn you. Ooh. Ooh, this is fancy. Music playlist. This is the store. Okay. Sure. I agree. Woo. Whoa. That's very busy songs. This is interesting. I heard that if you show sidebar. There we go. Now it's all. Wow. Ooh. I like it. It's way bigger. It's way more. It seems just like a lot more full, you know? Namin. Birdcurst music. Yeah, this is, so if we do, let's find your girl. Rihanna. I'll just play a song right quick. Oh, it doesn't show the cover anymore. That's not good. What if we organize it by album? Oh, there we go. I guess that works. I guess I could deal with that. It's different. It's different. It takes some getting used to. Hopefully.
You love me when you know you don't love me, but I guess it's all good.
Look at that shit. It's gonna like, it fucks with my skin. Like, I'm not fat, but that makes me look like I'm like just a pile of like jiggle. Like, ugh. Not attractive. Heading back. Just had to film stuff for Zio, took a while. But we're done. See you tomorrow.